Hello everyone. It's been a while since I've posted anything to this channel. About 4 years really. A lot's happened in that time. Had a lot less time on my hands finishing up high school. Um, and college things that came along with that, and you know, life goes. Life really does go. I've I've still had projects, but that's just haven't put them anywhere on the internet. You know, haven't had time to, and just stopped taking videos. And I kind of have since thought that Mr. Man 105 is a little bit of a goofy name, so I'll probably retire that this channel. But anyways, a lot of projects came and went, and a lot of cool stuff that I finished, but all this old small engine stuff that I used to do, I put it away in a little shack on the property, and went in there the other day, and it was all decaying and rusty, and just a lot of old dreams that came about and were left or never really came about. So anyways, this is a Briggs Stratton Model 23 from, I think, 69. And at one time, I rebuilt this whole thing. Actually, all the internals are new. I honed the block and polished the crankshaft. I put new seals in it. I think I even did the valve guides and rings. And then I painted it this goofy red. I don't know where exactly I was going with that, but looking back on the videos, some of the last videos on this channel that were about this engine, it kind of had a cool color to it with that that copper, like metallic copper color that had faded away to rust. So I'm sort of sad that I went and painted all of it. But anyways, I'll post another video to the channel of it running. I don't think I'll do a consecutive part 1, part 2, part 3 thing, but I'm just gonna sandblast the thing because all it needs is paint and put back together. It's all rebuilt already, and then put the original copper color on it and just make it a nice engine again. You know, I felt kind of bad all my old things were decaying, so these will be some of the last videos on this channel, but figure I'd go out with a little small engine bang. Well, in this case, a big one. These cast iron 9 horses are pretty big engines, but I'd go out with a good thumper here. So till next time.